Hello everyone, in this video let's see how to capture screenshot in Playwright. In Playwright we use the screenshot method to capture front view screenshot, full page screenshot and screenshot of a particular section or element. So for practice let's capture screenshot of Programs Budge homepage. Type await page.screenshot, the method name, and here in curly brackets use path to specify the path of folder where you want to capture the screenshot along with file name. So screenshots is the folder name, it will automatically create a folder for you, and file name screen.png. Let's execute. You can see a folder with screenshots is created and our file screen.png. Open it. You can see current view of the application is captured. This footer section is not captured by default. To capture footer as well, or to capture the full scrollable page, in curly brackets use comma and set full page property to true. Setting the full page value to false will capture the front view screenshot and true will capture the complete page. Let's execute and see. So one passed. Now open screen file. This time you can see footer is captured as well. Earlier we had just this banner only. So to capture full page, use full page property and set its value to true. Now sometime you want to capture a particular section, for example this footer section only or header section. So to capture a particular section of the page, you need to find the selector. So for this footer section, selector is footer class page.footer. So we can use dot page dash footer. Type await page.locator. Locate your footer using the dot page dash footer selector. Then use your screenshot method and specify path and file name of the screenshot in curly brackets. Now execute. One passed. Open screen.png. This time you can see only footer is captured, banner is not captured this time. We can capture a screenshot of the element as well. The same way we captured for footer section, we have to find the selector for this logo, which is an image element. So selector is img alt equal to home. Replace this selector of footer section with selector of logo. Now it will capture logo of the Programs Budge. Let's execute and see. Open this screen.png. You can see only logo of the Programs Budge is showing now. So this is how we capture screenshot of a particular element. So every time we are taking the screenshot, it's replacing our existing image and using the same name screen.png. For making screenshot unique, add a timestamp. You can use date.now method of JavaScript. So use single quote, use plus symbol and use date.now. Date.now method return the number of millisecond elapsed since January 1, 1970. So basically the timestamp. Let's execute. This time you can see a new image is captured with screen and timestamp. Our existing image still exists. So this is how we can make name of the screenshot unique by adding the timestamp. Sometimes you will need a screenshot in base 64 format for different reports or server. So for that you can capture into buffer, const buffer, await page.screenshot, and you can check buffer value and then use buffer dot toString to convert into string, and here use base 64 in case you need in base 64 format. Execute. You can see base 64 string value is printed in console using console.log. Screenshot API accept many parameters for image format, clip area, quantity, etc. So click on API and here look for page. In page, search for screenshot. You will see page.screenshot method and different options like animation, XY coordinate you can also specify, and quality of the image from 0 to 100, timeout and type PNG and JPEG. Same method exists for element also. Click on this element handle, search for screenshot. Here is the method for element handle with different options. So you can try different options by yourself when needed. Thank you for watching this video.